On June 9th, 2021, the students of St.Genevieve Elementary School had their last days in this design of classroom. They said goodbye to these blinds. They said goodbye to wooden chalk trays. They said goodbye to wires everywhere. They said goodbye to repainted bag racks, unleveled shelves. They said goodbye to holes in the wall, paint on brick. They said goodbye to really old intercoms. They started packing everything up. And said hello to construction. Yep, that's right. We're taking walls out. We're using ladders. There's these things hanging out on the floor, hanging on the ceiling. This used to be where a thermostat was. There's garbage, garbage, garbage. We're pasting paste. We're nailing nails. We're screwing screws. We're starting from scratch.